What are we talking about today? We are talking about what is an ARV. Let's understand the ARV. And an ARV for real estate investors means after repair value. And most real estate agents don't know what this is because when you're going through real estate school, they don't even mention it. You don't learn anything about it. I just recently passed my real estate exam and it didn't mention anything about ARV or investing in real estate. It's all retail, law, and practice. So ARV is after repair value. It stands for those things, ARV, after repair value. And typically when you're dealing with investors, a lot of their math and is based off ARV. After repair value. So you have something that's called the 70% rule. I did a video on the 70% rule. I'll post a link to that here. But when dealing with investors, a lot of us, some investors pay cash. But as you know, in the real world, most people don't just have cash sitting around. So we get it financed. And there's a term called hard money. And hard money base their lending terms off of ARV as well. So when you're dealing with investors, typically they need a property at the price of 70% of the ARV. So typically they're not going to offer you what they think the property, what close to what you listed it for, unless you listed it accurately. So a lot of agents think investors are cheap and they're coming in to insult their listing price. But when investors invest in real estate, they have to fix up the property and either sell it again for that after repair value, that retail value, that really pretty house that agents are typically used to showing, or they tip it up or they fix it up to the condition that a tenant can live in the property and not have to go through a lot of repairs. So when they do, typically they'll refinance the property. And when you refinance the property, most lenders will let you refinance at up to 75%. So ARV is the after repair value. And that's the number a lot of us investors use to make offers, where we ignore the listing price because we have to come in at 70% of the after repair value. And some agents get their listing price wrong, and some agents are insulted by our offers. But our offers have to go off of the after repair value because we're in this business to make money. We're investing. We have to make a profit. We're not just buying to live. We're buying to either fix it up and sell it to a client to live in for long term, or we're fixing it up to have a tenant live in that property. So that's what an ARV is. If you want to know more about how you can work with me as an investor, just reach out to me here on YouTube.